Cuisinart Stainless Steel Microwave in a class of its own. The easy-to-sanitize stainless steel interior is the ideal cooking environment. With a 1 cubic foot of space for your family's needs, Preprogrammed one-touch controls guarantee everything from reheating coffee to defrosting cutlets to cooking fish or making crispy bacon is done right. This 1000-watt oven lets you cook a meal from scratch and make it a little healthier without oil or butter. With its stainless steel interior, stainless steel door, and sleek touchpad, this next generation of microwaves has a 2-stage cooking option to seamlessly switch from defrost to cooking. A stainless steel interior and 25 preprogrammed settings put this microwave oven in a class all on its own. Non-porous stainless steel will not absorb odors, moisture, or food particles, and preprogrammed one-touch controls guarantee that everything from reheating coffee to defrosting cutlets to cooking fish or making crispy bacon will be done right and fuss-free. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stainless steel outside and inside. The stainless steel control panel and door with embossed Cuisinart logo, dark tinted glass window, and a stylish chrome handle look great on any countertop, while the stainless steel interior absorbs no odors and is easy to sanitize. Number 2. Size and power. This 1.0 cubic foot oven holds a rotating 12 inches glass tray, and 1000 watts and 10 power levels let you cook a meal from scratch without any oil or butter, so you can feel healthy and satisfied. Number 3. 2-stage cooking option. Allows microwave to be set so that first stage of operation, such as 15 minutes on defrost, is automatically followed by a second stage such as cooking for 8 minutes. This works for power levels as well. You can cook with 80% power for 5 minutes and then 60% for 10. Number 4. Defrost and express cook. 2 convenient defrost functions to defrost food by weight or by time. For quick starting, instant cooking at 100% power level can be started by selecting a cooking time from 1 to 6 minutes at the push of a button. Number 5. Memory function and child lock. Enjoy your bacon well done. Customize each preprogrammed function to your preferred cook time. Child lock ensures buttons cannot be pressed or tampered with while in use. Number 6. 1000-watt stainless steel microwave oven with the 1 cubic foot interior. Number 7. Touchpad controls with LCD. 25 preprogrammed settings, 10 power levels. Number 8. 8 presets with serving size options. 2-stage cooking operation. Number 9. 2 defrost functions. 12 inches glass turntable. Instructions and recipes included. Number 10. Stylish chrome handle. Limited 3-year warranty. BPA free, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.